Backup failed on your Samsung? It's often due to login, storage, or network issues. What is Samsung Cloud Backup? How to fix it? Any better alternatives? Let's find out. Part 1. What is Samsung Cloud Backup? Samsung Cloud backs up data like contacts, messages, and settings on Galaxy devices. You get 5 GB free with a Samsung account. Part 2. How to fix Samsung Cloud Backup failed. 8 methods. Method 1. Allow all permissions. Method 2. Log into your Samsung account again. Method 3. Clear data and cache on Samsung account or cloud. Method 4. Change syncing settings. Method 5. Update Samsung Cloud. Method 6. Check Samsung Cloud storage. Method 7. Check your battery. Method 8. Restart your device. Part 3. How to back up data if Samsung Cloud Backup still fails. Samsung Cloud Backups can fail, and free storage is limited. Backing up to a computer is safer and offers more space. Mobican Backup Manager for Android is a reliable tool to back up and restore Samsung data on PC or Mac. Step 1. Install and open this product on a computer and get Samsung plugged into the computer with a USB cable. Then enable USB debugging on Samsung to let the tool identify the phone. After that, tap on Backup from the new screen. Step 2. You'll see many data types on the next page. Mark the ones you need to back up, and click Browse to specify a folder on this computer to save them. Step 3. Click the Backup button at the bottom right to get the chosen files from Samsung onto your computer for safekeeping. How to restore data to Samsung with Android Backup and Restore. Connect your device to the computer. Click Restore on the main screen. Select backup types and hit Restore to recover them to your phone.